Each year, thousands of motorists in the United States are injured or killed in accidents caused by road debris. I'm car accident attorney Neil Shouse, and I represent some of these victims. I'm often asked by people, who is responsible for these accidents? Whom can I sue if I was injured? And the answer is there are two likely defendants. One, of course, is the person who left the debris, if we can locate that person. This might be someone who deliberately littered, someone who dumped their property on the roadway or highway, or a truck whose load became loose and fell out. Oftentimes, these trucks and vans fail to secure their loads adequately, making them especially negligent. The second common party to sue in these cases is the local government. Cities have a responsibility to clean up hazardous road debris and to make the roadways safe for motorists. Cities are especially liable if they were notified of items in the roadways but failed to clean it up in a timely manner. The good news is that commercial trucks and cities tend to be deep pockets, and we're often able to collect big settlements in these cases. If you or a loved one has been injured or killed in a car crash caused by road debris, we invite you to call us here at Shouse Law Group. We can help you to get compensation for medical bills, for lost wages, for pain and suffering, and oftentimes punitive damages.